Hey everyone, in this exercise I'm going to show you how to use Node.js and some command line tools to do some JSOnic expressions on your computer. To start off with, you do actually need Node.js installed. You can download Node.js installation file from the link down below, and once installed you should be able to see the version you're running on your terminal simply by doing node version. Any version would do for this exercise. Alright, once we have Node installed, let's just create an empty directory. For this I'll call it sample, and let's initiate our Node project in this directory by running npm init. Most of the stuff's gonna be set by default, so you don't actually have to change anything here. You can just continue to press enter all the way through. This is going to create the required package file you're going to be seeing later. Now that that's out of the way, let's actually install our JSOnic tool on this project. To do that, let's do npm install JSOniq -g. By doing -g, it's going to install it globally, and you also need to install it locally as well. So to do that, let's just do npm install JSOniq -s. That's going to install it local to this directory as well. Once all that over, you can actually go to a sample folder and you'll see this folder called node modules. You don't actually going to be needing that at all, so let's just forget about that for now. Alright, cool. So the next step is to actually run some JSOnic expressions. So let me actually create a new file, and I'm going to name this file as in the same folder, sample. I'm going to be naming it as query.jq. JQ stands for JSOnic, but the extension doesn't really matter in this case. So let's just do a really simple expression to just show how it's done. So since the file is inside the directory, I'm just gonna pretty much run a simple expression. The expression I'm going to be using is, to start off with, I'll show you how to do a simple expression where you have a data set of numbers from 1 to 4, 1 to 3, and I just want to filter out numbers that exactly equals to the number 2, and I'm going to return that value and inside of return statement in this way. So to execute this JSOniq FLWOR expression, all I have to do is to go back to the command line and do JSOniq compile query.jq, and to run it you have to do JSOniq run query.js. You can see that the output is 2 from the terminal window because the 2 is the only one that actually matches to the given criteria. Cool. So for next example, let's actually do much more elaborate example. Imagine if you had a data set of games that I've played. So I have 3 games I've played recently, and let's actually filter out that data. So if you want to filter out that data, I'm just going to put that within the parentheses of that first if for statement. And if I wanted to get the games that I've pre-owned before, this is how you would do it. I would say where x.preowned equals to true, and the projection I want in this case is the name of the game and also the genre of the actual game, or let's say go for the ratings. So to run this expression, let's just compile it and run it, and you can see the games I pre-owned, it's gonna be coming up like that. Cool. So I hope this example is clear enough to get started on your work, and that's pretty much it. And signing off, Isuru.